If anyone saw my video the other day about I was going to do this new site, this is my wife's site. When I say new, it's going to have a facelift because it's the site itself's been around for many years, and a lot of the text has been, I've just copy and pasted that, and it still needs a bit of formatting with that. I really should have started showing everybody how to do it right from the start, but it was just a bit of a fluke that I come across something that I was playing around with and I quite liked. So it's a 5-page website. I've just got this, the home page. If anyone did see it, I mentioned about the images here that weren't really very good. They were okay on PC. If we just go along here, they're okay on PC, they're okay on mobile, and they're okay on tablet, but they're not okay on things like intermediate stuff and that. If we just take a look at this and preview it, right, so this is what it looks like on PC, which is fine, which is where I want it to be. Now, if we go in like that, you see at the bottom there, like I did show on the other video, but a lot of people won't see this. So this here is wrong. So there's too much overlap there. It's an easy fix, this, and it's the way I'm going to do it. It's a lazy fix as well. It's just by changing the size of the images themselves. So if we could just go back to, this is all going to be done raw, so you can see where I'm. What I'm doing, what the thinking process is between all this type of stuff, So I would just go here and we go down to and sometimes on Bootstrap Studio I cannot see the scroll bars. I think they're just so tiny that for my eyesight anyway, that's right. Let's go into this. So go to custom code, edit code, and we have these here. All right, so the ballroom beads, this here, the top one. So what I'm going to do is just put an ID, and I've just got a top image. Top IMG, and the second one I'm just going to put second image. Okay, so right, just a minute. ID equals sec IMG, and we just apply that there. So go to styles. You can actually do the style within the image tag itself, but on this one I don't want to. I want to do it properly. So with the hashtag top IMG, but width, and I'm going to make this 220 pixels. 220 pixels, semicolon. So as you can see there, that image has now got smaller and the other one's still at that size. So we just do another one, and you can actually do them in the same line there, but this is easier for people who are beginning. I think I said second image, sec IMG, and again width 220 pixels, semicolon. Right, so as you can see there, that's actually changed both of them. So now if we just take a look in there, see, now there's no overlap or anything there on the right hand side, and everything fits really well. So if we just do it like that, and then you see there's still pretty okay, everything seems to be balanced or as balanced as it's going to be for now. When I do sites, I do the whole, you know, it's like building a house. If you don't build like one part of the house and then put the glass in, you build the whole house and then put the glass in afterwards. So it's a bit like that what I'm doing. So any like touch-ups and that I'll do later on. One thing that's, when I've just been trying to sort out images and that for this site, I come against this. And this is, it's watermarked. The images are watermarked. These images, like I say, this site's been around for a long time, but and the images are the same what I'm going to use, and I forgot they were watermarked, so I'm going to have to find the originals. But what I'm doing, as I said in the first, you know, when I mentioned this video, this is going to be, you know, it's going to take a few hours, and it's going to take actually more, since I've lost for now the original images. They'll be on some sort of hard drive or something. Anyway, so if we just go to pages on here, and we've got index, right? So as I say, the five pages website. So I'm going to do a duplicate here, and I'm going to call this one bracelets. Right. Bootstrap Studio, sometimes it's so annoying. Right, bracelets. And I always use lowercase for all this stuff. And okay, so we've got bracelets, and another one is going to be earrings. Duplicate again. Rename this. I'm going to rename it earrings. Alright, so you get the picture. And the next one is going to be necklaces. Duplicate again. And again once more, so you get the 5 pages. So we've got index, we've got earrings, and we've got bracelets. Rename what goes in there. Necklaces. Necklaces. Okay. And the last one. Rename, and this is going to be contact HTML. So you got all the no, oh God, it's lost the index. Okay. Index. Right, hopefully that's worked. I don't know if anybody else finds this a slow program, but it's certainly using the code editor, that's for sure. So we have now, let's say I just refresh this and go to bracelets. So you see at the top there, it's got bracelets. So just changing see up the top there as well, you can use this here. So you see bracelets, and you see contact, earrings, necklaces. So come away from that, and then just to go in here. So custom code, edit code. So welcome to my website. So we just change this about here just to show that this is bracelets, and just apply that. So you see that the link is working and everything like that, even though, as I showed you before, it is there. See, that's changed there in real time. That's one really good quality that Bootstrap Studio has, is that it changes things in real time. So what you would do for the other ones is similar to that. And obviously these are going to be pictures and bracelets, earrings and necklaces. And these scroll bars are so difficult to get a hold of sometimes. And I've actually told Bootstrap Studio developers about this, but they just don't want to know. And so yeah, so this would be, you know, an image gallery. So you got to tune in for the next lot, and hopefully the thing will be faster. So thanks for watching.